Dash cameras have become one of the most important safety accessories for modern drivers. Whether you're commuting to work, taking a road trip, or simply protecting yourself from unexpected accidents, a quality dash cam provides reliable video evidence whenever you need it. Today's models offer stunning 4K recording, dual front and rear cameras, advanced night vision, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, parking surveillance, and intelligent safety features. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best dash cameras that combine excellent video quality, smart technology, and dependable protection for every journey. Number 1. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Camera. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Camera delivers exceptional protection by recording in 4K Ultra HD from the front camera and 1080p from the rear camera simultaneously. Its Sony Starvis 2 image sensor and large f1.5 front aperture produce outstanding image quality with sharp details and bright recordings even during nighttime driving. Built-in dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables download speeds of up to 20 MB per second, making it easy to transfer videos directly to your smartphone through the ROVE app. Integrated GPS records your driving route, speed, and location for valuable evidence during accidents. Additional features include voice guidance, G-sensor emergency recording, seamless loop recording, motion detection, supercapacitor durability, support for up to 1 TB microSD cards, and a customizable 24-hour parking mode for around-the-clock vehicle protection. Number 2. Veement V300 Dash Camera. The Veement V300 offers impressive 1296p HD recording, capturing sharp and detailed footage both day and night. Its Starlight image sensor, f1.7 large aperture, and 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens work together to deliver excellent visibility in low-light environments while covering more of the road ahead. Designed without a traditional lithium battery, it uses a safer capacitor-based system that reduces overheating risks and improves long-term reliability. Built-in Wi-Fi and the VCar mobile app allow users to preview recordings, adjust settings, download videos, and share footage directly from their smartphone. Additional features such as seamless loop recording, support for up to 256 GB storage, and optional 24-hour parking mode provide dependable protection during every drive. Number 3. 4K front and rear dash camera with GPS. This advanced dual-channel dash camera records stunning 4K Ultra HD front video together with rear camera recording, providing comprehensive protection from both directions. Its 170-degree front and 150-degree rear viewing angles capture more surrounding traffic, while the Starvis night vision sensor and wide dynamic range technology produce brighter, clearer footage during nighttime driving, rainy weather, tunnels, and other challenging conditions. Built-in GPS accurately records your speed, driving route, and location, adding valuable evidence when needed. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows quick video transfers to your smartphone, while automatic loop recording, collision detection, G-sensor protection, and 24-hour parking monitoring help keep your vehicle protected whether you're driving or parked. Number 4. Galphi 4K Dash Camera. The Galphi 4K Dash Camera combines premium video quality with an ultra-compact, screen-free design that minimizes distractions while driving. Its 4K Ultra HD resolution and 160-degree wide-angle lens capture detailed footage that can be useful for insurance claims and accident documentation. Advanced 5 GHz Wi-Fi provides download speeds up to 8 MB per second, allowing quick access to recordings through the companion mobile app. The dash cam supports seamless loop recording, automatic G-sensor event locking, and 24-hour parking mode when connected with an optional hardwire kit. Thanks to its slim profile and straightforward installation process, it's an excellent choice for first-time dashcam users. Number 5. REDTIGER F7NP Dash Camera. The REDTIGER F7NP delivers premium dual-channel recording with 4K front and 1080p rear video, ensuring excellent detail in every driving situation. Powered by the advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensor, f1.5 aperture, and 6-layer optical lens, it produces sharp, balanced images during both daytime and nighttime driving. Built-in 5. 8GH Wi-Fi offers download speeds up to 20 MB per second, allowing fast access to recordings through the REDTIGER mobile app while displaying GPS route, speed, and location information. A supercapacitor design improves durability and heat resistance, while features like G-sensor emergency recording, seamless loop recording, free memory card inclusion, and 24-hour parking surveillance provide dependable protection every time you drive. Product recommendation: if you're looking for the best overall dash camera, the ROVE R2 4K Dual stands out with its outstanding 4K dual recording. Sony Starvis 2 sensor, built-in GPS, ultra-fast Wi-Fi, and comprehensive parking protection. For drivers seeking a compact budget-friendly option, the Veement V300 is an excellent choice, while the REDTIGER F7NP offers premium night vision and long-term durability. These were our top 5 best dash cameras designed to protect you on every journey with crystal clear video recording and advanced safety features. Check the description for product links, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.